One of the biggest accomplishments that I felt within my business was in 2008. I started my business in 2007, and I was very, very part-time for several years. In 2007, when we introduced Pure Romance into our worlds, I was able to actually save money for the first time ever. I was able to have a savings account, and it was life-changing. We were able to pay for a wedding with no debt. It was a $10,000 wedding. I didn't have to pay anything on a credit card, and I was able to pay things piece by piece. Also within that year, we were able to come down with a small down payment for our first home. So we went from living in a trailer park into a single family home that we actually owned with a little backyard and 3 bedrooms and an office space and all of this stuff that we never had before. So it was so amazing to know that my business was the sole reason why that was able to happen. Don't back, Goofy. You good?